Hi Audrey, so let's go ahead and go over goal 3 and 4. So let's go ahead and go to your packet, your IEP goals packet, and go to your third goal. I believe, so you only have one more goal. So let's go to our third goal. And we are going to, let me go ahead and zoom this out. We are going to make eye contact when name is called by peers adults in a variety of settings. So let's go to our first worksheet. So Audrey, remember, eye contact. We look at a person's eyes. We look at a person who is talking to you with your eyes. So when I'm talking to you, you look at them into their eyes. You look at them. Number 2, you look at a person with your eyes when you are talking to them. So these are your do's. You want to do this. Make sure you get eye contact with someone before you start talking to the person. That way you know that the person is listening to you. So make sure that you make eye contact. People can look away from each other for a few seconds while talking, but I'm still going to come back and I'm going to look at you because I want you to listen to me. Your don'ts. Do not stare at a person for too long. It may make them feel uncomfortable. So if you're staring and you're staring and you're staring, you're going to make them feel uncomfortable. So you do not want to do that. Do not look at the floor for ceiling when someone is talking to you, or ceiling when someone is talking to you. So make sure that you are always making that eye contact and that you're not looking up or you're not looking down. You always want to look at the person. For example, I look at people in the eyes when I speak to people. I look at people in the eyes when people speak to me. So we're making eye contact. So I want you to practice those, Audrey, and then I want you to work on this worksheet. So my teacher blank has eyes. What color of eyes does my teacher have? Does she have blue? Does she have brown? Or does she have green? Circle your best answer. I do not have blue. I do not have green. My sister has blue, brown, or green eyes. So make sure when you're talking to your sister, you can see the color and then you can know what color they are. My mom has blue, brown, or green eyes. So select your best answer. So with that being said, Audrina, go ahead and complete this worksheet and then take a picture and submit it for a grade. Good luck.